Hello, my name is Adam Rosenzweig. I'm a professor of law at Washington University, and this is Business Associations. My primary background is in federal income tax and business and finance law. Before I went into teaching, I was in private practice in New York for 6 years and focusing on international finance, business, and tax issues. In this course, I hope to provide an overview of the law applicable to business associations, and in particular, the law that governs the relationship between the people who manage and operate the company and the investors in the company. To that end, we'll start with the general rules applicable under agency law and partnership law, the law that governs the relationships between employers, employees, and among partners who are running a business together. We'll then move on to the corporate form itself, the state law applicable, the different state laws applicable to the corporate form, the formalities required in operating the corporation, and the different obligations and responsibilities, as well as the benefits of the corporate form. We'll then move on to the fiduciary duties of the people running the company, primarily the directors and officers, that they owe to the corporation and to the shareholders. And we'll also think about some of the powers that shareholders have to enforce those obligations against the people managing the day-to-day operations of the corporation, as well as some other non-corporate ways that the shareholders can manage the business, whether it be shareholder agreements or otherwise. We'll then move on and consider the relatively new business organization of the limited liability company, compare and contrast that to the formalities of the corporation, and try to see how some of the flexibility the limited liability company offers can offset and benefit some of the rules applicable to the management and operations of them as well. I look forward to working with you, and I hope you enjoy the course.